Well, there are a number of hiking trails down the escarpment in Hamilton, but one of them stands out above the others because the steps were handcrafted by a man in the city's East End.
This is a great story, and as Nicole Martin tells us, little's known about the creator, but those who use the steps every day marvel at his work.
Emma comes to Uli Stairs every morning with her grandma and had a chance to speak with the man behind the special steps.
I said, thank you, Uli.
Some people who have been lucky enough to meet the curator have told me that Uli is a private man, a retired steel company owner in his late 70s. It took him nearly 5 years to place 305 natural stone steps along the escarpment near the intersection of Mountain Brow and Fennell Avenue East.
He loves what he does. He says he loves being outside, and he loves the fact that people use his stairs.
And they're a work of art. Uli sanded down fallen tree branches for the rails, planted flower beds along the path, and perfectly placed every stone with his own 2 hands. It's an enchanted walkway with a canopy of branches guiding the way down. Uli's steps used to be the only staircase in the area connecting the upper and lower part of the city. That is until the city of Hamilton decided to build this staircase just a block away for nearly $500,000. A few years back, the city of Hamilton had said that Uli's steps wouldn't meet any of the safety or building codes, which is why they placed warning signs to tell hikers that they're going down at their own risk. Tammy and Joanne walked around the city sign and opted for an adventure. They both admire the detail and work.
It must have been a labor of love for somebody to do that.
And especially since he still comes out and takes care of it every day. So now it'll be more special when we go back up. We can appreciate it.
I spent my day in search of Uli, but he remains a mystery. He's been spotted before, but is known to shy away from the camera, avoiding recognition for his work. He told Emma that all he asks is for people to enjoy his steps. Well, I've finally made it down, and I have to say it was quite the workout. But with every unique step I took, I was able to see why the people who use these stairs appreciate them so much.